All right, welcome guys, and congratulations for getting placed.
Thank you, sir.
So just
Thank
wanted
you, sir.
to ask you how was your journey, right? It was almost a long journey. Started with Python, then SQL, statistics, machine learning. So how was your overall experience on this entire program? Maybe Piyush, you can start.
Okay, sir. Sir, I would like to thank you first for giving us such a good training for the Python and SQL. And the way the training is going is was really good for me. Especially my friend also know what was my condition for the coding, especially in the coding section, because I was completely unfair with the coding syntaxes, and I was not confident enough to even sit for the any kind of interviews. Like even if I ask myself like if I will get placed, so I really don't get the answer from myself enough to, like no, I will get placed, because I was really not confident in any kind of programming language, and even though in SQL I would say, and we have done only a mini project that was not enough for me to explain to confidently what the technology was and how my working flow was. So this training really helped me to like gain the programming knowledge. The like I get the essence of how the programming really works. Like you told us to go on the hacker rank, and I spend a lot of time in the hacker rank. So my really I started liking programming, and now I think like whenever I will switch a career, and maybe there will be chances like I have to means learn different kind of programming language, maybe. But whenever I like go and visit those syntaxes, I found that more of the same. Like we have to just learn the syntax, and basically the flow is one of the same for me. So I really get confident about the programming section, and I would say SQL goes for the same for me. Like the SQL learning was perfect on like the assignments where I only not the learning, but the assignment make me more comfortable for the sequel, I would say. Each and the 10 assignments I guess you allotted us, I solved almost everyone. I just missed the USA one opportunity because the COVID thing happened in my house. So that was the thing. But the projects like data prep projects and IPL projects really helped. Really helped. I would say really helped.
What about you, Rishabh?
Well, I joined the journey in middle of the courses from SQL, and then I actually continued with Python video courses, which was very helpful, I would say. I wouldn't say that I was like really bad at programming, but the course really helped me to show a path, like to follow one path. Because when I was doing self-learning, every day I used to go to YouTube or any courses like web free courses, and I used to see this course and then this programming language, then they do this project. But like I was lost basically because there was so many paths. I couldn't stay on one path and couldn't focus on one thing, and that's why I wasn't good at anything. Like I knew a lot of things, but I wasn't good at one thing. And this course really helped me to stay focused and work on only Python, SQL, and stats and machine learning, which is like currently going on. Also, I would say the US internship really helped me with my SQL basics, really concepts of it, and of course the daily assignments which we did was also really helpful, and the projects. Projects actually really helped me to like build my resume, because I'm not really good at academics very well. Like my academic score is not well, but these projects really helped me boost my resume also. So yeah, it was really helpful. This course was really helpful to me.
Right, so data pre-processing app is like a product only we are creating,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
And that is
So
really important.
sir, the I would say the project is like our colleague has built many kind of projects like health detection and disease detections. Many of them have done the projects on deep learning and ML. But our project, when we see like it's basic, but the implementation is really intuitive and new. The disease detection and various other apps they have built. Maybe I don't know they even know the concepts they are building, but if they see that projects are built in and we don't see the data prep in project, it is like a new concept to everyone who is listening.
Key is the simplicity. Actually, the more simple the project is, like it has a character. It has one job and it does it very well, I would say, because we
Yeah,
don't really
for
go into.
good data thing, the data pre-processing is very important, right? That is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
key.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have to. All right. So how about machine learning? How things are going on there? Able to understand all the mathematics, all the statistics, or it's bouncer?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would say like I have followed till naive based and statistic. I have done completely. I have rewatched the statistic video, but from naive based, I am like my situation is dicey from there. Like the problem was I was facing. Like the implementation was missing from my side. I was not like implementing the code,
Hmm.
the
So
algorithms.
understanding why is the entire
Yes, yes,
concept.
sir. I would say like sir, like I have learned algorithm like seeing the IBM course on Coursera. Like what you have taught like what they are taught in Python, SQL, and machine learning is like very upper level, not in the depth, but what you are taught is like in very depth. I would say really depth because no one is covering like one thing. I would say like. You have also taught us how to find the k value and like the inner one more algorithm to find the k, one more technique to find the k. No one is like means taughting us that they are only taughting us the k and bus purpose. But your course, I think like it's really in depth.
Mhm. What about you, Rishabh?
I would say knowledge is very in depth, but like I'm not really very confident that if I'll be able to, like if someone gave me a data set, I'll be able to implement it on code. But I think I can like judge what to use and what to not that like that. Like
Yeah,
currently, I'm lacking the practice.
as of now, we are going through only
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
mathematical
Theoretically.
part, right? So
Yeah,
some of
yeah,
the
Yes, sir.
hands-on still required. So in the
yes.
future sessions, we'll get that.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what about the confidence level now after going through the entire program? How's the confidence?
Sir, it is good. I would say from before what was it was like before joining this course, it is really boosted my confidence. So that even like whenever I say I know Python, I know SQL, I know something. Whenever I would say like I know this thing, I would like really go in depth and know the things and present my projects and various other things like machine learning till whatever I have learned. So I can confidently say that I know these things because I have learned this thing in depth, not in the like upper layers, but in depth I have learned all the things.
You, Rishabh?
Yeah, I'll say confidence has really boosted. Like I can like sit into any interview and like I think I'll be able to answer, even though I can't say by guarantee that they'll give me like it's upon them. But I'll be able to sit there confidently be able to answer the questions they'll ask, which I have learned.
All right.
Yeah,
Cool. So congratulations once again. And as I mentioned again, it's not the
Thank you,
end, right?
sir.
A lot of things to learn.
Yes,
Just
sir.
a thing which we have learned. But again, a lot of sessions still pending, right? So we have to go through a
yeah.
lot of things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's see how it goes. All the best. All the best, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.